ABC Kinderteach presents Bob the Builder, Dizzy's Bird Watch. "I found a bird's nest," said Bob, "and the nest has an egg in it." "This is not a safe place for a nest," Bob said. "Dizzy, will you watch the nest and the mother bird?"
"You bet, Bob," said Dizzy.
Bob called the machines. They had a roof to fix. Dizzy stayed to watch the egg. Dizzy was a good egg watcher until she kicked her ball.
"Bounce, bounce." "Meow,"
said Pilchard.
"Chirp,"
said the mother bird. "The nest!" cried Wendy. "Oops, that was close," said Wendy.
"Sorry,"
said Dizzy.
"Chirp, chirp."
Wendy, Dizzy, and Pilcher looked into the nest. The egg had hatched. The baby bird grew and grew, but it was not ready to leave the nest. Dizzy helped the mother bird and watched the baby bird in the nest. One day the baby bird jumped out of the nest. The baby bird flapped its wings. Then the baby bird flew in a circle. The baby bird landed on Dizzy's head.
"Hello, baby bird. I am your Aunt Dizzy." "Chirp, chirp,"
said the baby bird. "The baby bird is saying thank you for watching the nest," Wendy said. Dizzy was so proud.
"I am a cement mixer, a baby bird watcher, and an ant."
"Hooray for Dizzy," said Bob, Wendy, and the team.